Nice. Hey, well done, Rizzy.
You're gonna
Make a video of you landing the thing and post it straight away. Hey guys, Judgierob and Rizaslifejourney out flying the drone at Oroville Lake. Used to come out this way when I was a kid, and it sort of deteriorated a bit since last time I was here. Used to swim in the lake. I think even then it said it wasn't suitable for swimming, but it's definitely not suitable for swimming now. It looks like something suitable for fishing and ducks, maybe. Oh well, that's a nice little short. Have a wonderful day.